Gum disease, also known as gingivitis, is a common condition characterized by symptoms like persistent bad breath, red or swollen gums, bleeding gums, receding gums, and loose teeth. If not treated, it can advance to periodontitis and lead to further complications. The primary cause of gum disease is poor oral hygiene, resulting in plaque buildup along and under the gum line. Plaque builds up when bacteria attach to the tooth and gum margins. Factors like smoking, hormonal changes, genetic predisposition, poor nutrition, stress, certain medications, diabetes, and other illnesses also contribute to the problem. Here are a few effective home remedies that can be used to alleviate symptoms, treat gum disease, and prevent further complications. 1. Hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide works as a strong antibacterial agent that kills germs and fights gum disease. Plus, it helps whiten and brighten your pearly whites. Make sure you use the 3% hydrogen peroxide solution that typically comes in brown bottles, rather than the highly concentrated version. Mix equal parts of hydrogen peroxide and water. Rinse your mouth with the solution for a few seconds, and then spit it out. Use it a few times a week until you are satisfied with the results. Do not use hydrogen peroxide too often. Once a day is sufficient. 2. Aloe vera. Due to its anti-inflammatory and healing properties, aloe vera has been found to be beneficial in dealing with gum disease. Being an antimicrobial, it also kills the bacteria that cause gum disease. Massage your gums with fresh aloe vera gel. Leave it on for at least half an hour and then rinse it off. Repeat several times a day. Alternatively, swish some aloe vera juice around in your mouth a few times. 3. Oil pulling. Oil pulling is a traditional Ayurvedic technique that is excellent for oral care. It helps strengthen the teeth and gums, reduces plaque, and relieves bad breath. Swish 1 tablespoon of coconut oil around in your mouth and through your teeth. Do this for about 15 minutes or until it becomes thinner and turns milky. Do not gargle or swallow the oil. Spit it out and rinse your mouth with water. Repeat the process daily for about a month. 4. Tea tree oil. The anti-inflammatory properties of tea tree oil help soothe inflamed gums. Simply put a few drops of tea tree oil on your toothpaste or buy toothpaste with tea tree oil in it for brushing your teeth 2 times a day. Do not swallow the oil. 5. Coconut oil. The antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties of coconut oil help in the natural treatment of gum disease. Combining it with baking soda will help neutralize the acids in your mouth too. Mix 2 tablespoons each of coconut oil and baking soda. Use this in place of your toothpaste once or twice a week on a regular basis. In addition to these home remedies, make sure to maintain adequate oral hygiene, including daily brushing, flossing, and using a mouth rinse to reduce plaque buildup on your teeth. It is very important to visit your dentist regularly. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.